Sri Lanka, meanwhile, raised fuel prices and warned of possible petrol rationing, with importers struggling now to pay for oil. And this comes as Sri Lanka's foreign remittances have now fallen to a new low in almost a decade, worsening the economic crisis in the country and sparking massive food shortages. The CPC and Lanka IOC, the island's sole fuel retailers, hiked petrol prices more than 10%, or $1.05 per litre, with smaller raises for kerosene and diesel. The move comes just days after international ratings agency Fitch downgraded the country over fears of a sovereign default on its $26 billion foreign debt. Now, foreign exchange reserves are almost depleted, and authorities shuttered the island's only refinery last month. The latest price increase is aimed at discouraging consumption. Severe doubts linger on the government's ability to meet its debt obligations in the next 2 years. Traders in Sri Lanka have struggled to get dollars to finance imports of food, medicine and raw materials. This after the island's tourism-dependent economy was hammered by the pandemic. Supermarkets have rationed staples such as sugar, lentils, tinned fish and rice. The government had foreign reserves of just $1.58 billion at the end of November, down from $7.5 billion when President Gotabaya Rajapaksa took office in 2019. The central bank has appealed for foreign currency, even loose change that people may have after returning from overseas trips. The island's economy has seen a drop of more than 17% in foreign remittances this year. Now, for more on this story, our correspondent Dasni Athora has sent us more details in this next report coming from Colombo. Have a look.
In yet another last-ditch move, the Sri Lankan government today decided to hike up fuel prices once again in order to preserve whatever that is left of its rapidly depleting forex reserves. Now, this is undoubtedly going to have a ripple effect on many industries, especially to that of the transportation industry. According to experts, they say this might not be the best move to preserve forex reserves, and that Sri Lanka must prepare for an inevitable forex crisis, especially at the start of 2022. Reporting for WION World is One from Colombo, I'm Dasni Athora.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.